Manogya, India does have their back against the wall in this semi-final. What are fans telling you? Is there a prayer on their lips? Have they given up? Have they switched off their television sets? What's going on?
Well, all the ladies with me are very confident, optimist and patriotic too when it comes to talking about Indian cricket. They are still believing that India will win despite all the factors that have been working against India in this match. Are you still confident that helicopter shots of Dhoni are working?
होगा
What will happen? क्या होगा?
Anywhere, anytime.
You believe you need divine intervention for Dhoni to win this time?
Yeah, he will win. He will win.
How confident are you this time?
जीतेगा भाई, जीतेगा, इंडिया जीतेगा.
Are you still, do you still believe we were all so in a nail-biting situation till now?
Yes, definitely.
Well, I can't believe this. All the women laughing it out. Virat Kohli, you were a fan of Virat Kohli. This morning you were saying Dhoni. Okay, now they're saying party is now it's Dhoni. Okay, so you're confident that Dhoni will finally make it to the top this time at least, because he's the lone survivor in the whole cyclone.
He's the lone survivor, but he'll still fight it.
He is fighting it out. Are you confident that this time, of course, India will be able to make it in another 1 hour?
Divine intervention is definitely needed, but we are optimists and we will stay till the end. Yes.
Well, I believe most of them were leaving with a few minutes back. Most of them were ready to leave the hall in Space Circle and go back home, saying very disappointed, all of them, that the match is not falling in the right place. Now they're not disappointed. The minute they stood up, there were 2 sixes of Dhoni and again back, and back in form.
Well, the moment they stood up, there were 2 sixes of Dhoni. Manogya, I think you should make sure that they keep standing. Also joining me live is my colleague Smita Sharma from Delhi. Smita, what's the mood in Delhi? Everybody is praying right now. Some people are praying with their television sets on, some praying with the television sets off. What's the mood in Delhi?
Rishika, I am at the Australian High Commission here, in fact, in Delhi, which is screening the match for its staff. And I can tell you, a lot of lung power in use. The ooh-ah sessions continue here. And, it's a defiant Indian group, because nothing short of a miracle is needed right now for India to win this semi-final. But clearly they're not giving up anytime soon. And adding complete spice, of course, to the flavor of this, the ambience out here are Ben and Charles. Joining, of course, the flag, the tricolor. Charles also plays cricket for the commission. Okay, Charles, just tell me on a serious note, really, what went wrong with India in this match?
Virat Kohli.
We were unbeaten so far. What went wrong?
Virat Kohli, he did not perform today. I think that was the turning point. I think if he would have scored, then I think we would have made it this far. I think Virat Kohli was the mistake. Virat Kohli. It was...
You really think, ma'am, because there are less than 50 balls, more than 100 runs.
Doesn't matter.
Rajnikant like a superhero.
Yeah, Dhoni will dhoega.
Okay, on the Australian side, really as far as this pitch is concerned today, it wasn't a pitch that was favouring bowlers.
No.
But when the Indians came in to bat, your top order felt in succession. What worked for you guys?
Oh, look, I think it was just very close for us as well. Our middle order was falling apart. I was very worried. I was packing my bags. I thought we were out. And, MS Dhoni, bahut acha khel raha hai. Yeah. You get what I mean. But I guess, it's just a game of luck in the end. A couple of people lose their wickets and then it just falls apart. But they've been playing very well. India's been playing well.
I can see some reactions here as well. Tell us, when Australia posted that score, 328, what is it that makes Australia really the super winners in this game? You're 4 times champions. It's a semi-final. If you sail through, maybe the cup will be yours.
They don't want to play New Zealand, so they've got to win today.
Yes. And what worked for Australia today?
Michael Clark, I think, Smith 100 has really done it.
Right.
The bowling's been steady.
Yes. Were you expecting a bigger fight back from the Indians?
Yes, I was. And I thought, Dhoni's gone now, but if he had stayed there was a chance.
So, I'll just get one last quick reaction. Ladies, who were you really expecting from the most on the Indian side?
Dhoni was a setback because we were expecting a good play from him. And, we just lost a wicket, so still I hope the high. Let's see how it goes.
So there are, of course, all that nail-biting moments here. there are those Mexican waves as well from the Australian side in a way. All the cheering. Who's your hero in the Australian team today?
Mitchell Johnson.
Mitchell Johnson. So the kid says it here. Rishika, clearly you can see that, the mood here is very, very pepped up, and Indians at the moment not giving up anytime soon, though clearly, a miracle needed here for the Indian side.
Well, absolutely. The mood is festive, but with Dhoni getting out, it's quite a heartbreaker at this point in time. Manogya Loiwal and Smita Sharma, appreciate you joining us for the moment.